Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be changing the look on the Evo. I've been running these wheels, these Rhoda Slipstream R's, offset 18 by 9.5 plus 30 with a 265/35 R18 tire. I've been wanting to change this for a while. I am currently running a spacer, and I've always wanted to run a setup that doesn't have like a spacer. So today we're gonna try to solve that. I picked up some wheels from Up Garage, and I ordered some tires from Canada Wheels. This new setup is 275/35 R18s. They are Nankang NS25s. Let's just unbox, give you guys a look. There we go. So these are RPF ones, and the width of them are 18 by 10.5 plus 15. So we should be able to ditch this. We should be able to ditch the spacer and rock it. But I'm excited, so I'm just gonna quickly pack these up and we're gonna head to the tire shop. They're expecting us and we'll go from there. That car is so clutch, holds everything we need. Let's go. We're all packed in here. Got all the hardware. I got, oh shoot, gotta make sure I have everything. Hopefully we can code them. I haven't had TPMS sensors for a while now, actually. I think the battery died in them, and so at least now we can kind of get it done the right way, and we'll lose light on the dash, so that's something. This tire shop is easily one of my favorite shops. I've been going here for quite a while and they always take care of me. So if anyone's looking to get their tires installed, definitely check out Speedway Tire Services. So just like that, we're all done. All the tires have been mounted and balanced, and we're gonna head back to the car and get them installed. So we're back from Speedway Tire, and I'm super excited to swap these wheels out. Let's get to it. But first I want to see the weight differences between the two wheels. It'll be cool to see if I've saved any weight on the wheels, given that, you know, one wheel is 18 by 10.5 and the other is 9.5. So let's see, put on the scale and see what we got. So we're gonna weigh the Enkei RPF1 and compare it to the Rotas. Alrighty, we're at 44.5 for the RPF ones and Nankang NS25s. So now we're weighing the Rota Slipstream R's. We'll see what they weigh. Okay, looks like we're at 49.4 pounds. That's not too bad. I think the other one was 44.5. But either way, that's 5 pounds per corner. And we're not even talking about the spacers yet. So that's a lot. So finally, you know, I've gone through how many wheels? 3 wheels. Gone through 3 wheels. I had 18 by 10 inch, like no name wheels. They're T reps. Then I've gone to these Rotas, which were, like I've said it multiple times, 18 by 9. They're 30s plus 30s, and I had a 25 mil spacer, so effectively it was plus 5. And now I'm gone to what in my opinion is like the perfect wheel tire. I wouldn't say tire combo. I think that 285s 30 18s is more of like, I think, the perfect combo. But this is for the height that I run my car at, I think that this is the proper height to run, the proper wheel setup, I should say, to run with the current height of my car. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to lose the spacers. All right, first impressions. Don't know if I like it as much as the other rim and tire setup that I had. I know I'm gonna have to give it some time before I really judge. I might have to drop the car a little bit more now, or take out some camber. But right now, as it stands, not too sure. We got to give it some time. Definitely give it some time. All right, all the wheels have been installed, and I'm gonna go for a quick test drive to see if it settles any I'm a little bit mixed on if I like better, if I like it better, if I like this setup better than the old setup. If I could change something, it would be maybe I go to, instead of 275s, I do 285s, just to take some of the stretch out. I'm on the fence, really, on if I like it more. We'll run it for a little while and see if I change my mind or not. But you guys let me know what you think, if you like it better or not. So I'm gonna take this last 50 seconds to show you the car. It settled, I just took it on a quick little drive, and I'm still warming up to it. I like it, but I'm still deciding if I like the other setup or this one. This isn't bad. I'll play around with the two setups, and then once I make a decision, I'll sell whatever wheel I decide to go with. But guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate all the support, and have a nice day. Take care.